What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a very rainy, soggy, and nasty day. There was a lot planned for today, and I'm not sure if any of it's going to happen, but I actually do have an update on the 2017 F-150 Alex's truck. We're going to try to sneak over there and get you an update. It was going to be here, but the weather sucked, but just how it goes, so let's go. Alright, boys, here we go. Yeah, we had some stuff to do on the GT. I was gonna try to wire 4 to 8 today, but yeah, it's just generally nasty days, so oh well. Alright, boys, so we are headed over. I promised you an update on the truck. You can see how nasty the freaking weather is, y'all. It's miserable today. Alex was actually supposed to be bringing it over to the other shop so we could do the video, and clearly in this weather it's not going to happen because it needed to get loaded up and all that. But we're going to get you an update because I haven't even seen it since it came out of the body shop, and supposedly it's basically like 95% there, so we're just about there. I think we're going to have to actually pull it out of the shop, so it might get a little wet, but I'm dying to see it too, y'all. It's had all the body work done, the bed's done, the cab corner was fixed, and I believe all the glass, everything's in it, so super pumped about seeing this, and we're just about there. There it is, boys. I don't know if you heard that or not, but he just started it and it's rolling. Look at that new cab corner. Say what? We got a full truck here. Alex, it runs and drives. Can I get in it? Look at all the fresh paint, y'all. Bed, everything is done. The interior is still a little dirty from the, I'm gonna get in here, guys, so you can actually hear, but the interior is still a little dirty from being at the body shop. But you see all the seats, see all the red stitching. Everything is here and working. Hit some buttons here. Gonna make a liar out of me. No, let's not do that. We'll do audio. And we need to call and get our Sirius, but he does have the Lariat cluster on the way. A few people said, oh, that's not a Lariat cluster. The Lariat cluster is on the way, guys. Right now we just got the Sport cluster in it for now. But again, you see you got the red stitching, red stitching, red stitching, red stitching, and then of course got the red on the seats and headliner. Everything is in, and of course the red on the seat belts. I showed you that earlier. But man, and you can see, hold on, I'm gonna rev it up. It's running, actually running really good. All right, let's get out and check out the outside here. Of course, guys, this is all fresh paint. He's got the tires, I believe, are already here, and the wheels are off and they're being mounted now. I'm gonna have exhaust on it soon, all new lights. But you remember, if you caught the video, the first one, this area right here has all been replaced. It had a pretty big dent right there, but he's got that taken care of, and he's got a lower valence coming. Alex, what are we doing on the front? Don't you got one of those valences on the way or something?
Yeah, I got one coming.
Okay.
Later going under the bumper.
Yeah, you guys, it's gonna be sick. Big update coming. I know I've been promising you, but the weather has been bad and it took a little longer at the body shop. But there it is. You can clearly see it running. It's just about there. All right, guys, real quick, while we got the truck in front of us here, a couple of things we're waiting on is the lowering kit. It's going to be a 2.4 drop, and then he's got those the factory 20s. He's got a 295/40 tire coming, so super meaty, aggressive tire coming for it. And then it's going to be a kind of like a chin spoiler / splitter for the front. And of course, some window tint and all the little details. And then we got to get it up to Daryl to get it tuned for the CJ intake and all that. And Yeah. This thing's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get it tinted too. Yeah, throw some emblems on it, boys. I'm telling you, can't wait to burn. We will be burning tires in this truck next week, I promise you. All right, boys, real quick, everybody's been asking about the 71 F100. Got an update for you real quick on that one. Guys, the bed, if you caught the upload, it's been 2 weeks now. If you caught the upload, we took the cab back off and took it over to the body shop because the floor pans were worse than we thought. So cab is over there getting all new floor pans and basically just the entire firewall, just filling in all the holes. But other than that, guys, engine, suspension, frame, everything is good to go. The bed's good to go. We're not going to do anything with the bed. But the transmission is in there. And guys, if you're doing this and you need to mount your trans, hit up the boys at Stifler's. I mean, literally made this a complete breeze to mount this brand new engine and transmission in here. And then, of course, that's the custom 4-link back there, which clearly I'll have more updates for you on that. But, yeah, one of those things, y'all, just waiting on the body shop. And obviously I can't sit there and be all up under him filming, but there it is. There's the Volvo power steering pump. Once the cab is back, we'll get that mounted and get that wired up. And so basically what's coming is we got to get it wired and plumb for the brakes and fuel and on and on and on. But wheels, tires, custom interior, the whole 9 yards coming for this bad boy. It's gonna be cool. I don't know if it's gonna be faster than Alex's truck, but maybe we'll race. Who knows? All right, boys, a couple other updates. Sorry for the rain and the wind. It's just nasty today. I've had a lot of people asking about Project 4-8. It is still here. I'm waiting on a bunch of parts. I've been waiting for quite a while, to be honest with you, but the holidays have come. Basically, all I've got to do with Project 4-8 is I'm going to go ahead. I've got the harness done. I've just got to get the harness back in, the V8 harness. Because as you know, I've already got the, as you can see, I've already got the pedals done. I rewrapped and loomed the V8 engine harness and all that. So I'm gonna put that in there, mount the PCM, and then go ahead and put the dash, all that, console, everything back together, start assembling this interior, get all the blue stuff out. And it'll go along pretty quick. Real quick, actually. I'll show you the engine and kind of what the plans are for that real quick as well. All right, boys, quick update again. This is what I'm waiting on parts for. I've got the engine right here. Basically, all the front engine dress is going to be brand new. Water pump, alternator, all the hoses, all of that. The harness is already really good and clean, so I'm not concerned with that at all. But all of this is going to get fresh coat of paint, and it's going to look basically factory original. But I've got, you know, some of the other parts ready to go in the car as soon as I got this engine. As soon as I get this engine all back sealed up, all fresh gaskets, it's going to be awesome. So there is your updates on the truck and Project 4-8. All right, boys, real quick update on Jeremy's Viper Blue car. Getting all the wiring done. If you caught the live stream we did last week, I gave you a quick update on this. This is all the non-sexy, unfun stuff that it is involved in doing this. Already got the Coyote fuse panel in, but got all the wiring, battery moved to the back, got the power for the fuel pump, all that. And then right around here we got starter wires and PCMs and lots of exciting stuff going on. You can get the big breaker in there. Super clean install, guys. I'm telling you, that is the only way to fly. That thing is out of the way, but it's accessible. Can't see it, but it's there, so good stuff. Guys, last and final update in this video. I know this has been a lot of updates. The Reef Blue notch that just got dropped off is already stripped inside the engine bay, as you can see. Everything's gutted and good. So this thing is actually going to go on the trailer and go to Nick's to get the engine bay shaved. So you won't be seeing this car for Probably a little while. Not sure how long it's going to take him to do the bay. He's pretty quick, but yeah, that is the update on the Reef Blue car. And once it gets back, all the fun stuff can really begin. So it's going to be awesome. And then, of course, the Camaro that needs a coyote swap that we're not going to coyote swap, it is right here, getting a water pump. So I think we're up to date. All right, boys. So that is what is going on at the shop right now. Cold. It's rainy, and kind of puts a damper on a lot of stuff, a lot of projects. But I promise we'll get busy. We've got to get the 71 done. We've got to get Alex's truck done. We've got to get Project 4 to 8 done. We've got to get Whipples installed. Yeah, a lot. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Guys, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every week, without fail, for the past 3 years, I've not missed an upload. So make sure you don't miss one either. Later.